Okay, good luck, girls.
Thank you.
A lot of hard work by the mums.
A lot of hard work.
It's coming down to tonight.
It'd be interesting, these guys were always so set in the fact it was an executive market. They were going for an executive couple. Two bedroom, so again, very different.
Got a reserve of 860.
Yes.
Got to get to 875, and you're in front for the 100 grand. That's all we need to do.
The house is hot, girls are hot, property's hot. Good luck with your bidding, ladies and gentlemen.
Heart's beating.
Yeah.
Sick in the stomach.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Who'd like to start me? Anywhere you like. Get me going. We're here to sell it.
750.
That's 750 now. That's 750,000. Good big serve. That's 750,000. I'll take rise at 10 now here. That's $750,000 now. Once. Twice at 750. I'm excited. Got to get home. Third and final call now. That's 750. Bid me 60 if you like. That's $750,000. Once.
I should be on a horse.
Twice. A black horse. Third and final call. That's 750. 60 I've got now. I love your suit, mate. That's 760. That's 700.
He's getting very excited.
That's $760,000. What? 70 I've got it here. And 80 young lady. That's 780 now. That's 780 now here.
Amie has the most ridiculous poker face.
All second. 785 and 5 and 5 I've got now. It's 785 at 90. That's 90 now I have. That's 790. That's 790 once. 95, welcome. It's 795 now. 795. That's 795.
It's going much faster than Pauline was.
At $800,000 now. First call. Second call at 8. Done. 805. Welcome around at 805 here. And 10 if you like. 5, 10, 805. Not far off at 805,000. 10. At 10 I've got now with you, Maria. Well done. At 8, 10 and 15 and 20. I've got 20 now. At 820 now.
820. Okay, girls.
820, I'll take your 5 if you like. 21, why not? At 21. At 821, I'm out of breath. At $821,000 here.
It's really tough because we want them to win at the same time. This is where the game starts to get played.
821 here. All done, silent and finished. Little shy of the reserve, not far off. At $821,000.
Started in a flurry, didn't it? And now it just...
22. 822 at 822,000. Thank you. At 822 now. Round me off to 25 if you like. Last one got 855. I reckon this is a bit better. Go on, put me out of my misery. 25 and we'll get going. At 822 here. You with me? Why not? How could you say no? 25, thank you. Yes? No? It's worth a try. 822, still thinking. At 822 now. I'm ready when you are. At 822,000.
Come on, get up to reserve.
First call, pass it in if I don't get another bid. Second call now at 822.
Can't be 40 grand just in there.
It's not going to reach.
$822,000.
And then 15 grand over.
No, we don't.
Better in their hands if they get up a little bit higher, you know, so we can push the whole overall promise up together. But it's a tough one.
No further bid, ladies and gentlemen. Then I'll formally pass the property in to the highest bidder. Give him a round of applause. Well done. Thank you for attending our auction, ladies and gentlemen. We hope to conclude sales.
How are you feeling, girls?
Oh, just a waste of time, really, isn't it?